If you forgot your Apple Watch passcode, there is only one way to fix this. So here in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix forgot Apple Watch passcode. With your Apple Watch passcode, you can easily protect your Apple Watch from unauthorized users or unauthorized access. But what happened when you forgot the passcode? So here, I'm going to show you how to fix forgot passcode on Apple Watch. So basically, when you want to set a passcode on your Apple Watch, you'll be prompted to type in the passcode twice so that you can easily remember it, and it will be fully satisfied that this is the exact passcode you want to use on your Apple Watch. But when forgotten, there is only one way out to fix this, and the only one way out you can use in fixing this is to reset your Apple Watch and erase all the settings. So here, I'm going to show you how to deal with Apple Watch passcode forgotten. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to place your Apple Watch on a charger like this, and make sure the Apple Watch is charging. Otherwise, you will not be able to erase your password or remove the password from your Apple Watch. Then once you can confirm that the Apple Watch is charging, go ahead and press the start button, press it wholly. Keep pressing until you see slide to power off. So just keep pressing until you see slide to power off. Then once that comes up, press the two crown. Then here, you're going to see a pop-up, and on the pop-up it says erase all content and settings. This will reset the device to factory default. Then go ahead and click on the reset button. Then you should see a pop-up that says, are you sure you want to continue? This is going to erase your Apple Watch, but it's also going to remove the forgotten password on your Apple Watch. Just scroll down and tap reset. Then you should see your Apple Watch deleting all your content and your personal settings on your device. This is going to delete all the settings from your Apple Watch. And once the process of deleting the content or erasing the content is completed, it's going to remove the forgotten password on your Apple Watch. And thereafter, you'll be prompted to set up the Apple Watch new. So this works for all Apple Watches, whether old or new Apple Watch. You can just press the slider button. Once you see the option to turn off your Apple Watch, go ahead and press the two crown, hold it, then tap reset again from the pop-up, and this is going to reset your Apple Watch, erase all content, and also remove the Apple Watch password. Once the process is completed, then you should see your Apple Watch coming up again, and now you'll be prompted to set up your new Apple Watch. So during the process, your Apple Watch reset a couple of times, and once you see the Apple logo, then the forgotten password will be removed, and then you need to set up your Apple Watch from scratch or connect your Apple Watch to your iPhone again to set it up. Literally, there is no way you can use your Apple Watch without connecting it to your iPhone. So if you've been asking, is it possible to use iPhone without connecting it to Apple Watch, then the answer is no. So once you see the Apple logo comes up fully, then your Apple Watch is going to come up, and then you'll be prompted to connect or set up the Apple Watch or pair it with your iPhone to start using your device. So this is exactly how to fix forgot password on Apple Watch. Then once you see the Apple logo, the Apple Watch will be erasing and deleting all the content on your watch. Then during the process, your Apple Watch will be reset a couple of times. That is the more reason why you need to place your Apple Watch on your charger when you are trying to remove the passcode or delete the passcode on your Apple Watch. And once your process is completed, then you should see that says bring iPhone near Apple Watch to set it up. So that is how you can easily remove passcode on Apple Watch if you forgot it, or that's all you need to do about forgot Apple Watch passcode. Then bring your iPhone close to your Apple Watch and then set it up. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.